All right. Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. This view brought to you by our friends at Home of Economy. And this is in Devil's Lake. Look at that skyline out there. A few high clouds and the breaks in the clouds. The calming wind going to lead to some mighty chilly temperatures for you. Once again, up in the north, we have concerns for some frost right now in Fargo. We're down just below 50 degrees, holding on into those low 50s, though, in Moorhead. Your sunset tonight was at 9:09. North wind still at 12 miles per hour. Where you see the blue hues up north, we're cooling already into those 30s for Roseau, for Langdon, Valley City, 43 degrees, 45 in Gwinner right now. In Grand Forks, 44 is your temperature. Unsettled weather right through the Central Plains. A storm system rolling off the high plains, bringing severe weather to parts of Kansas. Still active thunderstorm and tornado warnings all the way from Nebraska down into the panhandle of Texas. And we're on the very northern fringe of this spiraling low pressure system. Now, it's cold in our northern counties. Is this rain going to change to snow? Well, the answer is for some by morning. That could very well be the case. But right now, everything is rain. Look at the heavy batch of rain where we still need it most, out in the central part of the Dakotas. Right now, the Missouri River Valley, Bismarck, and Point South getting a deluge. No thunder, no lightning with this, so it'll be a quiet night, but just some good old-fashioned showers. Here's the thing in the valley. We're seeing a lot of green on the screen here, but the air over us is extremely dry. We're talking dew points in the 20s, so those raindrops fall down through that dry air and evaporate to nothing by the time they get down to the ground. Where we see the yellows here, a few may be wetting the sidewalks out there, but this will continue through the overnight hours to bring a little bit of more saturation to that lower atmosphere, and there'll be a chance at some raindrops in southeast North Dakota is where our model's painting most of the activity. You saw the flash of snow, Jamestown and Point South. We're talking about places like Cullum. We're talking about places down in the Dickey and Lemoore County areas briefly in the morning. Probably no accumulation there, but there may be a little bit on grassy areas for some. Temperatures very cold north to near 45 south. The rain showers will continue through the morning hours along the border is where things will be wet. All of us will have an east wind, and it does look like it'll be on the breezy side, but not overly windy, 15 to 20 miles per hour or so. Rain shower chances last into the late day for the south. Up north, no wind, maybe even a few peaks of sun. Therefore, you will be warmer than your neighbors to the south. The showers should be exiting by late. A trace to maybe an inch or two on grassy areas in the very early morning hours out in the west, but mainly west of our viewing area. And rainfall, just a snippet here in the Southern Valley along and south of I-94 and Highway 10. So needed rain in parts of Lakes Country, not likely to happen until we get down closer to that Minnesota and North and South Dakota border there. We could have a chance at a few tenths. Freeze warning along the international border along Highway 2 all the way from Minot into Bemidji. A frost advisory. Bring those plants in. Temperatures ramping up slowly. Best chance of showers in Fargo will be in the early part of the day. It looks very light because we're so dry. We will stay cool, and remember, there'll be that east breeze ruffling the follicles through the morning hours. Your hometown forecast shows temperatures warmer north, cooler south. Best chance of rain south. They'll be on and off throughout the day along the South Dakota border where we could have some more accumulations. Sybil capturing a gorgeous full moon out there. And here's a look at your planning forecast. After a rough one, a cold and wet one on Thursday, 62 on Friday, dry. Chance of scattered showers Saturday, rumbles of thunder on Sunday. But look at these temperatures. Sunday and beyond, we're talking near 80 degrees. Isolated showers next week. We'll keep you posted on that, but the warmest and maybe driest day of the holiday weekend appears to be on Memorial Day itself. So an enjoyable weekend is in the offing.
All right, thanks, Such.
A rare